Namaskaram ji. How is everybody doing? So, weekend hai. We have few friends who have come over to Agonda to do highlining, and they've invited us for the weekend. So, दरअसल मुझे बहुत सालों से इधर जाना था, and unfortunately because of काम में फंसा रहा, excuses, laziness के नाते because of all laziness I could not make it for last few years. So, but this time we decided, this time even Mira is along with me, like हमेशा तब शादी तो हुई नहीं थी, so I think Mira कभी ऐसे trips पे गई नहीं है शायद ना Mira?
कभी नहीं.
So I think it's the first time Mira is gonna go on a off-pit trip kind of thing. Those who do not know what highlining is basically simple language में बोलूँ तो दो चोटी या दो इमारत के बीच में एक लाइन लगी रहती है, like a rope, and you have to walk on top of it. I think you might have seen in movies and picture वगैरह. So वही करने वाले हैं, but on the beach, like there will be beach underneath, and we will be highlighting, not me but the people who have come specifically for this will be highlining on top of it. So yeah, अभी हम लोग निकले हैं. Before taking the highway, we are gonna go on a short break. हमको जाना है मिश्रा पेड़ा, क्योंकि हमारे खास दोस्त अनवीर की रिक्वेस्ट है कि उसको मिश्रा पेड़ा का ही दालवाट पेड़ा खाना है. हाँ, उसको 100 ग्राम अलग से लेना और 400 ग्राम अलग से बाकी लोगों के ले लेना. So पेड़ा ले चुका है. So now we are just going towards Agonda, and we might take another break for a small mini meal because मीरा जी ने कुछ खाया नहीं है. फिर निकल पड़ेंगे on the highway towards कानपुरा. तो मीरा जी का खाना हो चुका है. So we are just heading now to Agonda.
कट मेरी बात.
क्यों अच्छा तो आ रहा है. अरे लग रही है ना एकदम महारानी. तो हम लोग वापस जा रहे हैं अभी on the road towards Agonda. मिलते आगे से. So we're almost there at Agonda. Most of the people miss out on this right turn and go ahead. So you can see that right turn on the left hand side. This is also one of the most beautiful roads in Agonda. So most of you all might have heard about this Butterfly Beach ka trek, the secluded beach trek. So if you see, there is a leopard valley which you will see in front, and there is a slight left. This is where the trek starts. Like this, take a left from there and keep walking towards the beach. You will reach towards Butterfly Beach. So we have reached finally Agonda. काफ़ी टाइम लगा वैसे because of stop, but otherwise साधारण 1.5 घंटा लगता है from Panjim, but we have taken around 2.5 hours. So guys, we have made it to Agonda. We're going to just find a parking. फिर parking निकालने के बाद चलते हैं हाईलाइन देखने को. अनवीर तो ऑलरेडी सब निकल चुके आगे. So we'll just be joining them very shortly. So we are are at the parking area. We're gonna get car parked somewhere here. And yeah, so this is the surf school, but I guess no one is here. So we have reached the point where the trail starts towards the top. If you can see the line. Chalo, let's go. कैसे एकदम बढ़िया नवीन जी कैसे हो ये है नवीन पुणे से है ही इज वन ऑफ द की प्लेयर्स इन स्प्रेडिंग स्लैकलाइनिंग इन इंडिया
How are you doing?
ऑल गुड
कैसे है? Long time.
और ये है वीर मेरा दोस्त वही मिश्रा पेड़ा वाला और ये है बाकी स्लैकलाइन का परिवार हु हैव कम टू डू हाईलाइनिंग इन अगुंडा All set? Home cruise, yeah. तेरा पेड़ा लेके आया
बिग मिश्रा से खत्म हो जाएगा आधे घंटे में।
सिर्फ ये 3 लोग को बता सकते
इतना फेमस है क्या मेरा
He's the guy.
people like it a lot why I like it
It's a little toxic in the sense it's very sweet.
yeah it's very high sweet हाँ
But एक बार खाया तो अच्छा लगता है उसमें ठीक है खत्म नहीं लगता है।
So it was quite late and too windy. I couldn't get more shots and it was time to head back home.
Saw the picture of the stitches.
ये लीजिए आपका अमानत
To injured people, I am the one. Small injury. He's the one who got the big injury. 3 stitches. Yeah. On your mark.
अरे उसके अंदर तुम कैसे प्रॉब्लम
Oh.